I cannot wait for you to see this house. I know you've been here before, but have you been in here recently? Look at this. Look at the gates. It is so private. 144 Howard Oaks.
It's absolutely beautiful. I have been here, and it is stunning.
Look at this. How many acres is it?
Roughly around 17.
Well, I mean, did you ever know this existed?
Well, I did know it existed, but you wouldn't know it unless you've been back here. It's the epitome of privacy.
Look at that. Look at the palm. Look at the palm trees. I feel like I'm in Miami. Look.
It's really cool.
Look at this. What is this right here?
This is the pond.
Wow. And so you've got 17 acres. Look up there. This
with the house overlooking this.
Wow.
Isn't it awesome?
Yeah, it's a Mediterranean Tuscan villa. Look at that tile roof. That is rare. This is the coolest place in the world.
You would never know you were in Macon, Georgia.
No, I love it because I feel like I'm on vacation right this minute. And you know I'm not. Oh, wow. Look up there.
Well, I want to take you in and give you a tour.
Okay. All right. Okay. 144 Howard Oaks, Macon, Georgia. Wow. Tim, I feel like I'm on vacation with you. This is like a resort. It's a Mediterranean Tuscany villa, and I could be in Miami. We could be anywhere all over the world.
It's absolutely beautiful.
This wonderful back terrace.
Loggia.
The loggia. Oh my gosh, I would kill for this at my house. You've got a fireplace, you've got the pool, you've got the jacuzzi, it's all gated in, the terraces. I mean, this place is a resort. That is what it is.
It's absolutely magnificent.
So I guess you can't go out of town anymore. We'll just call this the resort.
Come here, yeah.
So if you're in Macon, Georgia, 144 Howard Oaks, you would never know this, but it's literally situated in the middle of North Macon with 17 acres. Not a lot of people know that. Yeah. You knew it.
I knew it.
But and I know it now, but I never knew it until Tim showed it to me.
If you think it's nice outside,
yeah,
wait till you see the inside.
Yeah, it's beautiful, and there are just porches everywhere, and it's just relaxed. It's a beautiful family estate. They built it.
I would say it's architecturally very significant.
Oh yeah, they built it, and you don't see anything like this in Macon. Very, very fine home. All the wood and the marble and the Italian marble mantle in the living room is amazing. The floor plan is perfect, and there are bars everywhere, and just it's just like anything you've ever wanted.
But don't disregard the views from all the front windows.
Oh yeah,
overlooking the lake is absolutely.
Well, when you drive in, you don't realize that when you turn the corner, that you're going to be in paradise, and that is what this is.
It's a slice of heaven.
It's a slice of heaven, and there's really nothing to say. You need to come see it. You need to call me, call Tim Sheridan, call anyone at our office at Sheridan Solomon, and you can see what a great place this is and what a great find. And I'm afraid it's not going to last long because if you come here, you don't want to leave. So call Sheridan Solomon, 746-2000, area code 478, and or 478-731-1302. That's my number, Joanna Jones.
And let her give you a fabulous tour of this beautiful place.
Well, it's great. I don't think I'm going to leave. It's relaxing.